Something within ourselves to give thanks to. Can you find something to be grateful for tonight, Reggae Land? Now what we're gonna do is give thanks together. I give thanks for what I'm grateful for. You give thanks to what you're grateful for. Or we do it together in oneness and push that energy up into the world right now that needs it oh so badly. Are you ready, Reggae Land? Okay, Lion roar. Said every morning I rise, peace in my mind when I hear Rastafari. Knowing his eyes are on high, sure be my guide and reside with the moon. Even in a drought I don't cry, well these are the times when I hear Rastafari. Knowing that job will provide. Simplicity is what we use in these days, and Rastafari rough beside the routine. Possessions will be lost, and what you live is what you need.